Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek at what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making a gorgeous resin painting. This one is actually 24 inches wide. It's a big round, and I made this piece on my channel previously. So today we're going to be adding this layer that you're seeing right now to it. I'm going to be using the Apatite Blue Epoxy paste from Laura's Art Corner and Total Boat Tabletop Epoxy. I'm also going to be using Mayron Gold pigment powder off Amazon and Island Micas and More Surfs Up White. It's like a liquid pigment. So I'll link all that down below. Let's jump in and get started. So here's the piece. I sanded it down with some 320 grit sandpaper, cleaned it off really well with some 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I taped the back with some duct tape. This is a 24-inch MDF round. It's actually a tabletop for an end table. I went in with some clear, and now I'm going in with that Apatite Blue Epoxy paste. It's a gorgeous metallic transparent deep blue. I wanted something transparent because I still wanted to be able to see somewhat of the piece that was underneath, and you'll see when I smooth all of this out with my gloved hand what I mean. See how you can still kind of see a little bit of the artwork on the original layer. I wanted that. And if you want to see how I mix my resin and my pigments, I'll link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check that out if you're new to resin because it's full of great information. I just cut the mixing out of this video to save time, so be sure to go check that out. I'll also pin it in the comments, so you can just scroll down to the comment section, click that video, and go check it out. So now we're going in with the Mayron Gold. I was just adding some lines and adding some of the white right next to that gold. This Mayron Gold is really, really beautiful. It floats and gives you a really, really nice reflective gold in your finished artwork, and I'll show you close-ups at the end of this video. So now I'm just going in with my heat gun on high. I put it all over my piece to get that resin warmed up, and I'm kind of tilting my heat gun at an angle to try to move those pigments around. And you can see there it's moving really nice. I got my heat gun off Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I've had it for almost 3 years now. It's a good little heat gun. So I'm going to go in and add a little bit more white. I wanted to brighten it up a little bit. And sorry for the angle of this video. When I had filmed this, I had, believe it or not, broken 2 tripods in the same day. So I had to get creative and make my own tripod for this video. I wanted more of an overhead view, but I got new tripods now, but I filmed this a few weeks ago. So here I am going in with a little bit more of that Surfs Up white. This white is really great for cells and lacing. I actually just finished up some Sunset Ocean pieces, and I poured those on a 12-inch round mirror, and I only did the artwork like halfway up the mirror, or I guess a third of the way up the mirror. So they turned out really cool because you can still use it as a mirror, but it has some fun artwork on it. So I'll be posting that video soon. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And that was all I did. I just moved the pigments around. This is so super simple and easy, great for beginners. And here's how it turned out. The next day I pulled the tape off the back, and you can really see how pretty that gold is. Like I said, I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's really, really reflective, especially in natural light. This piece, I was mostly just trying to see how good the Total Boat Tabletop Epoxy was to give cells and lacing, if that makes sense. Because the Mayron Gold, I know, will give you really awesome cells and lacing. So I wanted to see how it did with the Total Boat Tabletop Epoxy, and I would say it worked really well. And the Surfs Up White worked really well too. Got some really awesome cells and lacing. You can see right here that pretty section of the gold there. And right in here, I love this part. It kind of reminds me of like peacock feathers. I think it turned out really nice. I think I might add another layer to this one, just because it looks kind of stripy to me. So I might do another layer of the Apatite Blue and just a little bit more gold and white. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Should I leave it alone or should I add one more layer? Either way, I have to do a clear top coat and then it will be all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you're new. And only 20% of my viewers are subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. It's free and it'll really help out my channel a lot. And if you want to see the original piece that we had poured over in this video, I'll link that video down below too. I actually made it when I first started out with resin. I was pretty new to resin when I made it, so go check that out. I'll link it down below as well. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!